So hi guys, welcome back to my channel and hope you guys are doing well. It's been quite a long time since I'm vlogging up front my with my camera. Usually I'll vlog using my GoPro setup and all. So anyways, good to be back, and here's another exciting video where I'll be unboxing a new fresh of kits that I got my hands on. So this time guys is none other than a boots from Royal Enfield. And if most of you might not know, I recently got my hands on Royal Enfield Meteor, so I'm very thankful for that. And to match my beautiful bike, I got these boots. So let's unbox, guys. Pretty excited. So here's how both the pair looks like. And so guys, this is the boots that I'm talking about. Here, this is the Huntsman boots from Royal Enfield, and you have two color option. I guess the other one is the green and the brown, and this one is the dark blue with the brown finish. I like this color compared to the other one because it looks very classy and it looks cool. So guys, here's a close-up look. I'll just show you guys the 360 view of this shoe, of these boots. So guys, coming to the price, so it's priced at around, so guys, it's priced at around 4,400, but you can definitely get a discount from any shopping sites. So guys, let's walk through the texture. So they have used the cloth and the leather. I really like the material that they have used on the leather, because it has the toughness to it. And then here we have the leather finish with the branding on it, mentioned as made like a gun. So I like how this is placed on the ankle, so that it acts as a protection as well. So you have a branding out here where it says Royal Enfield, and then you have a branding on the inside as well, Royal Enfield, where it says Royal Enfield. So guys, this is size 43. So usually I will wear size 8, but when it comes to boots or when it comes to shoes like this, I go for a one size up, so that and it fits me comfortably. I don't know how. Anyways guys, here it is. You will see the year out here, 1901, and this is the year where Royal Enfield has started their motorcycle journey, I would say, history. And then one classy thing of these boots that I'm really fan of is you can actually flip this up, and now it looks like more like a this one military style or kind of a boots. And I would say these boots, it's not only meant for riding, but you can wear it on a casual day as well, for your everyday use when you're going on your office, or when you're going for trekking as well, or for rough and tough use as well. So I like it this way as well. This when you're wearing it with your little slim jeans, you can flip this down and then kind of style with your look as well. So guys, coming to the leather, they have used a very tough and a soft material, which gives a toughness as well as you get a very nice grip to it. And then the stitching that they have used on this thing is very nice. It's of very high quality. And then you have a reflector out there as well, which helps which adds as a protective, or a protective side of this shoe of the upcoming traffic. So guys, this is how the close-up looks like, both the pairs. Let me know in the comment if you'll go for these boots to any other boots which is available in the market. But as a brand, Royal Enfield, it really sticks to their quality, I would say. I like how the lace can go up till here. So guys, this is very much it. Here's a short video of this new pair that I got my hands on. Let me know in the comment if you're interested. I'll put the link to these particular boots, and you can go and get one of these bad boys to your collection. So guys, that's very much it. Thank you so much for the love and support, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Till then, God bless you all, and bye bye. I'll just take a thumbnail. Bye guys, bye bye, see you, and love you guys.